From my point of view, it opened up a whole new world as regarding how, well, one, I got a degree out of it, but two, just the way I've learned and how I started thinking about things and how I've just really sort of re-evaluated how I look at my future going forward. So yes, I've got a degree out of it, but also I've got more wider skills, and it's actually changed the way I think about everything I do in real life. So it's still giving me benefits now, even though I graduated. I've come from a background where I'm the first person to do a degree, and it's fair to say it's changed some people's perception for me, because they saw me in a certain way, and some people some people seem to have a bit of a problem with that. It has to be said, because they've seen me in a certain way. It's like, well, it's how I am now. And I put something on my Instagram post, which was basically like, deal with it.